Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We are showing off and showcasing the Igloo Heavy Duty 25 Quart BMX Ice Chest Cooler. This has a cool riser technology, and I'm very excited about this one. Watson picked it up. My brother Watson here is a marathon canoe athlete, and he canoes for 5-6 hours a day on a lot of afternoons, and doing so, having a cooler full of cold waters and beverages makes a world of difference. And again, doing so, you want those beverages to be cool at the end of the day. You don't want to get to the end of a race and realize that all your water is warm and soggy. So, the Igloo Heavy Duty 25 Quart BMX Ice Cooler is doing the job for Watson. It's keeping his drinks cool for long periods of time. And on top of that, it is pretty lightweight. It's relatively lightweight for how impressive and sturdy of a cooler this is. Now, it's available in a variety of colors: gray, blue, orange, oil green, rugged blue, sandstone, etc., etc. Now, we've got the white and blue. It is a polypropylene material. It's 21 by 17 by 14 inches, and it weighs only 11 pounds, which compared to some of the big brands, it's a lightweight cooler that still has plenty of insulation. So let me tell you a few reasons I love this. Now, first off, I absolutely love the brand. Igloo has been in business since the 1940s. They've been the premier brand of ice cooler, no matter what anyone says, for about 70 years. They're absolutely incredible. Almost 80 years, between 70 and 80 years. So Igloo is a great brand. Now, the locking mechanism is tried and true. It's got the rubberized pull handles. That's lightweight, works super well, and they pretty much never fail. It's got that nice locking handle to where you can carry it around just about anywhere, and that faux diamond steel on the bottom really just looks cool. It's not uncommon for ice to last about 4 days in this cooler. So if you're going on a weekend trip, this is the choice for you. It also has oversized hinges to make sure that you've got a nice, reliable hinge for a long period of time. And it's got a great seal, so you don't have to worry about water leaking out the sides or back or the top. You're going to be covered with Igloo. I also love that their coolers are stackable. And on top of all of that, Igloo is a company out of Texas. Most of their stuff is made right old in the good old US of A in Texas. The product features include a heavy-duty blow-molded construction, extra thick foam walls for keeping ice cold up to 4 days, rubberized T-latches for the closure, oversized hinges, and stainless steel screws for extra product life, triple point grab handle with stainless steel reinforcement. It's got skid pads to make sure that this thing is not sliding around or scratching up the back of your truck. It's got a fish ruler and 4 tie downs. And of course, it's got the cool riser technology, elevated design to improve cooling performance. All right, folks, I think I've showed you a lot about this cooler. The bottom line is this is the brand to beat. I don't care what your friends are getting. Igloo has been the leading brand for decades. They've been around since 1947. You're going to love them. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Hopefully we have demonstrated this product for you and you absolutely love it. Go ahead and pick it up with confidence. Bye-bye.